marching through. Hi, I'm Kim here from Keep Fit with Kim with today's walking workout. Before we start, particularly if you're wearing bare feet, check there's nothing that's going to hurt your feet or anything you're going to trip over or bash into. All you need is the space of a fitness mat. If you get a bit more space, that's great, you can make the moves bigger. I'm going to turn, but you can stay facing me. I want you to go 2 forward, 2 back. So if you've got the energy, make it big. If you're not so fit, a little bit older, you might prefer to keep it a bit smaller. So throughout the workout, if I add complex arms, you can leave them out if you want. The steps, when I say make big steps, you can make them just a little bit bigger if you want. Well done. We're going to change that to wide at the front, together at the back. So you're going to start to challenge your brain as well as your body slightly. And again, that could just be a very small movement. If you're a little bit overweight, that might be enough for you. But if you're just trying to get a bit fitter and find these workouts at the right level, then maybe you want to make it a bit bigger. Well done. Remember, your body, your workout. We're going to pause at the back, tap change, other side, left, right. Some of you that will be really easy for, others are going to struggle. So don't worry if you haven't, try and catch up and change to the other leg if you can. If you never get it, it really doesn't matter. Let's tap and change again. So right, left. Wide at the front, together at the back. Now I'm going to start to add some arms. Out, out, let's pump. So you can choose to leave out the arms if it's too much for your brain or for your body. Ready to change? One more, and then tap change, tap side. I've changed the lead arm as well, but do what feels right for you. Well done. You're doing great. Ready to change? 4, 3, 2, tap change. Tap change. Well done. So you can add a little twist to the body if you want. That is optional. If you're struggling with a step, stay with the easy step. If it really is getting too much for you, you can always march on the spot, go back to that 2 forward and back, whatever feels good. I'm going to keep it back straight onto the front, but if you want to keep that twist, you can. Last 2, I'm going to go back to that marching on the spot. With a little tap, so 4, 3, 2, tap. Make yourself enough space so if you can walk 4 steps forward. So you might need to shuffle along to the side of your mat. Let's march it forward for 4, 3, 2. I've got a little bit more space here, but I tend to go off camera if I go too far forward. So if you want to make it a bit harder, you can add a little arm movement. I just keep it with bicep curls somewhere in the middle. Come back to face me. Let's change direction in a moment. Get yourself to a position where you've got space. And 4, 3, 2. Maybe now you want to add a knee lift at the end. Leave it up to you. If that's too much, just keep it here with a tap. I'm going to make it easy on myself today. I've got to go and teach a class after this today. Okay, keep the feet moving through the gap. Catch the beat, taking it to a little side step now. So as usual, it's your choice. You can keep it really small, particularly if it's going to hurt your ankles. If your ankles are a bit weak, keep it small. If you're slightly more experienced and your ankles are nice and strong, start taking it to a side step. Well done. Your body, your workout. Think about pulling that belly in. Well done. Just take little side arms. You can slap them against your legs if you like. I'm keeping mine a bit quieter. It's nicer for you on the recording. take it to the other side. So if you need to shift along a little bit to have some space, that's fine. And don't worry if you haven't got it, just keep those feet moving. Other side. Just face the arm this time. I'm here touching my shoulder now. Keep that arm as high as you can. Of course, if that's too much, take it lower. That's fine too. For those that want to challenge themselves, last 4, 3, 2, other side. So if that's too much for your arm, if it starts to ache, just swing it down. Well done. Aim is to get through the whole 15 minutes. And if you're finding it too easy, just make the movements a bit bigger. Add the arm movements. Let's change. Both arms if you can, but this is optional. Other side. When you start to feel any tension in your arm, let's change sides. We're going to take an angle this time. Again, options. If you don't want to have that arm as high, keep it low here maybe. Other side. Well done. Change. 3, 2, and change. Well done. And change. Let's lose the arms for 2, and back for 2. For 2. You're doing great. Let's go for singles. A bit like a double side step, but on the off count. Hold it here and tapping onto the toe. Little knee bend in between. The lower you make that bend, the harder it's going to be. You bend and tap with the toe. Lifting onto one foot, tapping the other toe. So you can keep that really small if you want. If you want it here, that's fine too. Those that want to make it harder, let's get some big arms. We're coming to the middle of the warm-up now, or the workout even. You should be nice and warm. Kicking the heel towards the bum. So you have a choice again. This is your heel bum, or just tapping to the side. Well done. Just kick it out. Keep moving through to the next track. Catch the beat, marching. Right, left, right, left. Don't worry too much if you're on the wrong foot, but if you follow me, it will make it a little bit easier. Shoulders relaxed. Keep that head up. You don't need to look at your feet. Keep breathing in through the nose, out through the mouth. I'm going to change that to 3 and a tap. 1, 2, 3, toe tap. So you have an option if you want. You can make that bigger, step back, knee lift, or keep it as a tap. So again, you choose what you want to do, what's right for you. You want to make it harder, add an arm. So what I'm doing with my arms, taking them down and up. And less space means you need to. Try and stay facing me all the time if you can. So your easier version, if you're out of breath, you want to make it gentle, is here. Harder version. Do what feels right with the arms. I'm touching my shoulders, reaching up, and doing a little bicep curl. Might take a little bit of getting used to that move, so do what feels right with you. Maybe just reach the arms up and down. You want to make it even harder, You can take the arms just up and down. That doesn't work for me very well. I seem to lose the beat with that one. Well done. Let's march it through. Right, left, right, left. You'll take the feet a little bit wider. So wide is as wide as is comfortable for you. And again, you can keep it here, little movements, or make it really wide, lift the knees. His arms moving, shoulders relaxed. Nice big gap between the shoulders and the ears. Well done. Feet are now turning slightly out, knees are following. Knees and ankles, I meant, should be nice and comfortable. 2 in, 2 out. Take it in, wide, wide. In, wide, wide. In, wide, wide. Add some arms if you can. This is the brain teaser if you don't know this move. Stick with that, you can lose the arms, or we can make it a little bit harder. We're going to go forward, wide, wide, together at the back. Wide at the front, together at the back. For those that want to jump, I'm not going to jump. I like my workouts to be all low impact. But those that maybe want to add a tiny bit of impact work, that's fine. Ready to march on the spot. And right there, right there. I'm going to turn now slightly to the corner. You're going to move with what space you've got. Let's go 4, 3, 2 and a tap. We're going to march forward for 4, back for 4. So 4, 3, 2. You're going to go with what space you've got. So if you can only go diagonally, or straight across your mat, that's fine. Let's change direction. So pick a space you've got. You might need to walk a few further back in order to get space to go forward. That's fine. The idea is you can do these workouts in the space of a fitness mat. Well done. Keep those feet moving through the gap. Just marching it through. Start to bring the body down, cool down a little bit. Bring the heels in front. So little heel digs. Stay facing me. I'm just turning so you can see what I'm doing. And I'm not doing really strong bicep curls now. I'm just letting the arms relax. Pause here, we're going to take the right leg out and in, out and in, out and in. Now if you want, you can bring a little knee lift up. Take it out to the side and up, out and across. But if you don't, just bring it out and in, out and in, out and in. But keeping the arms low, really working that hip muscle, again to help you balance. Let's change sides. If you didn't get that change over, that's not a problem. Just catch up when you're ready. It really doesn't matter if you're not on the same beat of the music or if you're on the off beat, fine. More important that you just get some workout for your body, improve your strength, improve your cardiovascular capacity. Couldn't say that one today, could I? Let's take it back to a toe tap together. Keeping those arms nice and relaxed, but keep them moving. Try and really relax your shoulders. Taking the foot across now, toe tap across, and heel dig in front. You've done really well today. Take the toe taps out to the side. Again, arms are nice and relaxed. Shoulders at least. Just swinging the arms gently, elbows relaxed. Well done. Heel digs in front. Take that to toe taps. Now I'm going to change it slightly. Try and pull your belly in and not arch your back as you take the foot behind. So you might want to lean forward slightly. It makes it a little bit easier. Feel a little squeeze on your bottom and your bum. Okay, you can tell I'm English. I use different words. I know a lot of you watching this are in the States. I'm going to use the terms I'm used to. Take it out to the side. Let's just finish with a little bit of a stretch. You stay facing me. Keep the feet round hip width apart and take your right leg back. Push the heel down. Both feet should be facing forward, so I'm going to ask you to have a quick look and see. Quite often I find people turn their heel in. Push that heel back, bend the front knee and hold that stretch. If you're feeling it in the calf, if you're not, adjust the ankle until you feel it where the tightness is. If you're finding your balance is bad, take your feet a little bit wider this way. If you're here, it's a little bit difficult. If you're here, it's going to work a lot better for you. I'm going to turn again. Try to have a nice straight line where you can from the top of the head through to the ankle, so we're not rounding all the way forward. Pull the belly in. Maybe lean on your leg if you wish. Okay, let's change legs. Well done. Same thing, keep the legs wide enough that you can balance. Watch the position of the back heel. Both feet pointing in the same direction, straight forward. Nice and relaxed. Pull the belly in. We're concentrating on getting a stretch in that calf muscle. Well done. That's all for today. Thank you for working out with me today. I'm so glad you made it to the end. See you in the next workout. Bye for now.